Did you know that nearly 2/3 of Americans can't pass a basic financial literacy test? That's a huge problem. We're in a world where understanding your money is more important than ever, but most people don't even know where to start. That's why I'm breaking down 10 fundamental financial rules that every beginner needs to know. We're talking about the essentials, the bedrock of building a strong financial future. These rules are your roadmap to escaping that statistic and taking control of your money. We're going deep on budgeting, emergency funds, credit scores, investing, and a whole lot more. So, if you're ready to finally master your money, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the cornerstone of personal finance, budgeting. I know, it sounds about as fun as a root canal, but trust me, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a purpose. It's about deciding where you want your hard-earned cash to go, instead of wondering where it all went at the end of the month. The 50-30-20 budget is a great place to start. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs like housing, groceries, and transportation. Then 30% goes towards your wants, like dining out, entertainment, and those shoes you've been eyeing. And finally, that remaining 20%, that's for your financial goals, like saving, investing, and paying down debt. Remember, your budget is a living document. It should evolve with your needs and goals. So, track your spending, make adjustments as needed, and watch your financial health improve. Imagine this. Your car breaks down, you face an unexpected medical bill, or even worse, you lose your job. These are the curveballs life throws our way, and without a financial safety net, they can derail your finances. That's where an emergency fund comes in. This is 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses stashed away in a safe, accessible account. Having this cushion means you won't have to rely on high-interest credit cards or loans when those unexpected events happen. It's about having peace of mind, knowing you can weather the storm without derailing your financial progress. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. Gradually increase that amount as you're able. Remember, building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint. Be consistent, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it grows. Okay, here's a hard truth. If you don't know where your money is going, it's going to disappear faster than you can say latte factor. Tracking your expenses is crucial for understanding your spending habits and identifying areas where you can cut back. Luckily, we live in a digital age where tracking your spending is easier than ever. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. The key is to categorize your spending so you can see exactly where your money is going each month. Are you overspending on groceries? Is your subscription service addiction getting out of hand? Knowledge is power, and by tracking your expenses, you'll gain valuable insights into your financial behavior and make more informed decisions about your money. Chapter 4. Saving Early. Time is your greatest asset. Let's talk about the magic of compound interest. It's like a snowball effect for your money. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small contributions made consistently over time can add up to significant wealth down the road. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. So don't wait until you're earning more to start saving. Start small, start today, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Open a high-yield savings account or consider a Roth IRA for long-term growth. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 5. Understanding credit scores. Your financial report card. Your credit score is like your financial GPA. It tells lenders how responsible you are with borrowing and repaying money. A good credit score unlocks lower interest rates on loans, better credit card rewards, and even better rental opportunities. So, how do you build good credit? It's simpler than you think. Pay your bills on time, every time. Keep your credit utilization low, meaning don't max out your credit cards. And finally, check your credit report regularly for any errors or inaccuracies. You can access your credit report for free from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Remember, building good credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Chapter 6: Basics of Investing. Growing your wealth. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. It's simply the act of putting your money to work for you, allowing it to grow over time. There are various investment vehicles available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and index funds. The key is to diversify your portfolio, spreading your risk across different asset classes. Start by educating yourself on the basics of investing. There are countless resources available online and in libraries. Consider starting with low-cost index funds, which offer instant diversification and have historically provided strong returns over the long term. Remember, investing involves risk, but it's also the most effective way to build long-term wealth. Chapter 7: Insurance. Protecting what matters most. We buy insurance not because we expect bad things to happen, but because we understand the importance of being prepared when they do. Insurance provides financial protection against unexpected events that could otherwise devastate us financially. From health insurance and auto insurance to renter's insurance and life insurance, there are various types of coverage available to protect you and your loved ones. The key is to assess your individual needs and choose the right coverage at a price you can afford. Shop around, compare quotes, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, insurance is not an expense. It's an investment in your financial security and peace of mind. Chapter 8: Avoiding Debt. The debt trap. Debt can be a heavy burden, weighing down your financial progress and limiting your options. While some debt, like a mortgage, can be strategic, high-interest debt, like credit card debt, should be avoided at all costs. Make a plan to pay down your existing debt as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest rate debt first. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods. Most importantly, break the cycle of relying on debt. Live within your means, track your spending, and build an emergency fund to avoid falling into the debt trap. Remember, financial freedom is about having choices, and being debt-free gives you the ultimate freedom. Chapter 9: Setting Financial Goals. Your roadmap to success. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly with your finances. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals gives you something to work towards and helps you stay motivated. Want to buy a house in 5 years? Retire early? Travel the world? Whatever your aspirations, write them down and break them into smaller, actionable steps. Create a plan to achieve each goal, track your progress, and celebrate your milestones along the way. Remember, your goals are your own, and there's no right or wrong answer. The key is to have a clear vision for your financial future and take consistent action to make it a reality. Chapter 10: Continuous Financial Education. Never stop learning. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving. New investment opportunities arise, financial regulations change, and the economic landscape shifts. That's why continuous financial education is crucial for staying ahead of the curve and making informed decisions about your money. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, and follow reputable financial experts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of personal finance and achieve your financial goals. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and never stop seeking knowledge. Take control of your financial future. There you have it. The 10 basic financial rules every beginner needs to build a solid foundation for their financial future. Remember, managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. By implementing these simple yet powerful principles, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial dreams. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more practical financial tips and advice, and let me know in the comments below what your biggest financial challenge is. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Now, keep the momentum going and check out this next video on insert related video topic here. It's packed with even more valuable information to help you master your money and achieve financial freedom.